All right, join me as I withdraw live in this platform, and at the end of this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can also start earning from this platform. Okay, so here you can see at the top right here, you can see I already have 3005 coin. Okay, now in order for you to withdraw from this platform, all you need to do is to come to this place and check for my reward, and let's see their criteria. You can see 3,000 coin is equivalent to $5. Okay, and 6,000 coin is equivalent to $10. Why 12,000 coins equivalent to $20. So I've already met the criteria. So you can see my coin over here is 6,000. So before I went ahead and placed withdraw, I have some coins here. So all you have to do is in this app is to walk, okay, your normal strolling, okay, as you're walking around your day-to-day activity. This line, you can see this circle, we just go around like this, and as it's going, you can go ahead and be claiming the coin in this gift box. All you have to do is to claim it, and as I'm claiming it, you can see it's increasing. All right, it's as simple as that. So you can see I've claimed it. So if I continue to work, the coin will increase by gifting me. All right, another way I can also increase my coins over here is by opening these boxes which I lock here. So you can see if I click on this one, it will take me to watch a video ad, which is 30 seconds video ad. Then I will claim a coin. So let me go and do that. So all I have to do is to click on this first box, and for me to continue on, they say I have to reach 200 steps, okay, 400 steps and 600 steps. So that's how basically this platform works. So I'll be taking you to withdraw live in this platform. So now let's go. Since I've already met the criteria, I'll go ahead and click on these three dots, click on my reward, and I can click on this PayPal. Mind you, they pay with PayPal and gift card. Let me show you. You can see Amazon gift card and PayPal. So if you have PayPal account, you can use it to withdraw your earning, or if you have Amazon gift card, you can use it to withdraw your earning as well. So all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this PayPal, and you can see this is active to withdraw. So I'll go ahead and click on this redeem here, and they will ask me to input my email. So I'll go ahead and input my email. All right, so this is my email. I'll go ahead and click on submit. All right, so you can see over here, once it's out, this my balance will be off. Now they're asking me, they say gift card. Okay, you can see in review. All right, in review, gift card in review. All right, so you can see redemption time. You can see the time. This is today date that I carried out the transaction. So already you can see my wallet is now 10. So they have removed, I can no longer do any transaction again. You can see I cannot redeem again. It means that they have moved this money to my wallet. Okay, so the next time I need to do here is to go back to this platform and see. You can see it has been reduced to 10. Okay, they removed the 3,000 coin, and I have to do repeat the same steps. Now this takes some couple of days to complete, okay, but each day all you have to do is to make sure you work to complete this task and open this box. That's how basically this app work. I'll be dropping the link in the description of this video, and also when you download the app, you will use this link here. So write this code here. You can see referral code. Now if you don't use a referral code, you'll not be able to access the app. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy this code. You can write it down, this code, this referral code over here. You can write it down, then I'll be dropping the link to this video in the description. So use it to download the app, then use this referral to sign up. Okay, you can use your Google account or your email. Okay, you can use your Gmail or your Facebook to sign up. Okay, so that's how this app basically work. I believe you find this video helpful. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you cash out. Okay, so you can share this video, save it to someone you think this video might be of help to. And if you're finding it difficult in order to withdraw, probably don't have a PayPal account, I'll also drop my link in the description of this video. You can reach out to me and I'll guide you on how you can get a PayPal account. Probably you are in Nigeria or any country that does not have PayPal. You can send me a message and I'll guide you on how you can get a PayPal account. All right, so meanwhile, don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe so that you don't miss out my subsequent video. All right, so I just log in my PayPal account, and you can see over here 5 USD has been sent to you. You're seeing 3.73 is because my account is, my PayPal is in British pound, and British pound is higher than dollar. Yeah, so that's how you can see. But if I convert this to naira, you can see that it's equivalent to this $5. All right, so that's it. So the money has reflected. So let me refresh, so you can see, yeah, this is the money. You can see the transaction. You can see the transaction history over here. If I go to see my activities, you can see this is when the money came in, 24th of October. So this week, you can see. So it's as simple as that. Yeah. So the money now is in my wallet. Let me refresh. Yeah. So if I go back to my wallet, you can see that the money is in my wallet. This is the money. The money has been reflected in my account. All right. So from here, I can transfer to my dollar accounts and transfer to my local bank. It's as simple as that. So this is how this platform basically works.